This house is coming together. Guys, what is this? I'm about to start a new life, and the devil is like delaying my flight with 5 hours.
Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast and you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want.
Good morning, guys. So this is day 2 in this apartment, and today I literally woke up and I had a delivery from Asda, so I got like proper house things. A jug. I said a jug. I'm still sleepy, guys. I'm not supposed to be up because I slept really late. I was cleaning and cleaning, seriously cleaning. But anyways, I bought a blender. Guys, this is massive. This is so big. First is this package from Amazon. I think I know what this is. Some skincare products. The best body scrub that I've used so far. Next is Boohoo. I'm actually very excited for this Boohoo package. I love. Ooh, this is cute, but it's not so long, but this is cute. Let me take it back so you guys can see. Ah, she is cute. Like, wait, see? She is cute. They are not ready. Next package is BERSHKA. So I have another BERSHKA package coming. I don't have coats, so all my shopping this period were just coats. Oh, I thought this was going to be longer, but it's cute. At least it's not swallowing me so much. She's cute. She'll do the job. This is so annoying. After I bought this coat, it went on sale. I'm so tempted to return it and buy another one. A whole £20 discount. Would you have done that if it were you? Nah, she's cute and she's in theme. The color is, you know, let me drop her down a bit. Like, see. Gay. Hey, they are not ready for me in this Sheffield though. Big box H&M. This jacket is doing too much. She feels small. This is definitely not my style, but I just feel like all those rainy days I'll need like a nice puffer jacket. What do you guys think? Should I keep it or return it? She was on sale, sha. I'll keep it because when it starts snowing or raining, like I'll need stuff like this. I just got this mirror from Amazon. I will put the TikTok video of the unboxing. I don't know, I had put the mirror here. Now I put it here, but I don't think it's giving here. It's not giving here at all, even the angle of the pictures, the background. So I'm just going to take it back to this place. Yeah, this is cute. Much better. The bed shows. You know what I mean? This house is coming together. When everything is ready, I'll do a full house tour.
I might just come see you today.
I'm all dressed up because I want to go to TK Maxx, Primark to return some pillows that I got. Let me show you guys. Guys, what is this? See how here is empty. I feel like if you sleep on this pillow, you're going to have neck pain. Like, see. Almost, so I'm going to return it. It's not so expensive. I think it was 2 for £8, but £8 is big money. I'd rather use it and buy one very good pillow, because there's the one I got from Primark as well is £12. So I'd rather use the £8 top up £4, buy one. Then when I have money, I'll buy another one, because this pillow is not it. I don't think I'll get anything from Primark. I'm done buying things. It's just TK Maxx. I need artwork for my bathroom, because I used that artwork in the bathroom and I liked the way it looked. So I want to buy an artwork for the bathroom. Then I want to buy like a small rattan basket to put my face towel. Then I also need to buy face towel, because I just realized, like, you know what, I want to start taking care of myself, like, hello. And so then I'm looking for a couch, like cream color couch. I saw this store that have it online, but I don't know if they have it in store, so I want to just go check. Then I'm seeing bad reviews about the store, like delivery takes 3 weeks. That I don't want 3 weeks. If I want 3 weeks, I'll wait till 3 weeks to pay for the couch, if you get what I'm trying to say. So now I'm just like, I want to go see first, then talk to them about if they can order it for me. At least maybe in the store I will know that I'm not getting scammed or be having high blood pressure. So yeah, let me show you guys my outfit. My top is from Daily Paper. I don't like this top. I bought a small. I should have gotten an extra small. It's so big for me up here, because like your girl doesn't have boobs, so I use like this thing to put it in, but it keeps looking funny, like a sports bra to tuck it in so it can be shorter. Then my pants are from BERSHKA. I just got them today in one of my orders. My coat is also BERSHKA, like so cute. And my sneakers are Balenciagas, and I'll be holding my Coach. This is my everyday errand bag. Like, I was almost getting rid of the bag, but right now this has been a savior, because I'm carrying 2 phones at the moment. I'm still trying to switch to one phone and sell the other one, but I have to fix it first. So if I carry all those mini small bags, it doesn't work. I have to like put it inside this big bag. If not, I'll be holding. I need to remove these glasses. Yes, it was so annoying. Then I need my hub, which is my fob, which is my key. And yeah, I'm also buying pots. Apparently this building uses induction pots. Thank God I waited before going to go and buy pots. So now I know the pots I'll buy. I might just come see you today. So I think I've just been vlogging and it's going to end up being really long. So I'm going to end the vlog here, and thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for my updated house tour for like when everything is together. Anyways, and thank you for following me on my journey, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. So this is the artwork that I got yesterday.